Bathandi Bomkosi, tell me why people are bashing Usbindi Mselegu for bringing his kids clothes from Ackermans. Hi, Kiju family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. Bathandi Bomkosi, this past weekend, Vuyogazi posted beautiful pictures, memories, and videos because her daughter with Sbindi Mselegu was turning 6 years old. It was, of course, a beautiful birthday party, but Sarabamkosi, the theme was indeed lovely and cute. Even baby girl looked happy. Everything was on point. But Digam Zansi was impressed because Osbindi was there during the entire thing, and it looks like his daughter Umhlopegazi was also excited to have a father around to share the best memories of her sixth birthday. But bathanda bomkosi uyazi ke eMzansi inkulumo azipheli. Phela uSibindi noVuyokazi, their breakup was messy and people were on Vuyokazi's side because of course uSibindi was not doing a proper thing towards uVuyokazi. So everyone was supporting uVuyokazi and Vuyokazi went on a big transformation and then she came back, which proved that she was indeed over Usbindi and there were issues between them and their parenting style. Vuyokazi revealed that Usbindi was not supporting their kids financially, and also it looked like allegedly Basara Bumkosi Uvuyokazi was denying Usbindi the right to see his kids. Well, they do, of course, have two beautiful kids, a boy and a girl, but so now during the sixth birthday party, Usbindi and Vuyokazi seemed to have shown both their kids that they are willing to keep this co-parenting healthy as they were both present in their daughter's birthday and they took beautiful pictures. Pelaskumbulu Guti, at the end of the day, they're not doing it for themselves, but they're doing it for their kids. Then now, can someone tell me why most of the women were complaining, saying that a whole Mselegu, a whole Sbindi Mselegu, who has money and who comes from a wealthy family, why the hell will he bring clothes from Ackermans? Hi bo, Bafazi. Then what is wrong with clothes from Ackermans because they're still clothes? The important thing here is the fact that Sbindi was called and he showed up. These are his keys and he is doing his level best to do so. I mean, some people out there don't even get the support that Vuyokazi got on this particular experience. And even if it was clothes from Pep, it is still clothes, and these clothes were bought by their father. It hits different, man. It brings that vibe, that joy. Oh, good damn, these clothes were indeed bought by their father. Of course, it's not that it's something to brag about or whatever, because it is something that the father or a parent should do. Let us hope they will continue to keep this healthy co-parenting situation going on. That's it for today, but please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching.